Hello and welcome and hello. I was at my local Walmart store a few days ago. I found these, and I know I've mentioned previously in other recordings, people really shouldn't have to follow word for word everything a person says. However, the Walmart in this area, they tend to get product in, and the product sells, and then you never see it again. So I was surprised to see these. They're Scarlet and Violet base set, although when I saw the box for these on the shelf, I was hoping they would be Twilight Masquerade just because. However, I then saw the price of these, $4.43 each, which I believe is cheaper than the single packs. Apologies for the noise, and cheaper than the individual packs that come with a coin, maybe a special hollow foil pattern card. So figure I would get these, try them out, and yeah, a couple of packs to open also. So here's the binder. What I plan to do is perhaps I'll do this first. I have two of these, so one I will use for Japanese cards. It's also I typically, if I see these binder pack mini portfolio, I guess is what it's called. If I see people open these in videos, they simply chuck the binder portfolio thing to the side. So see if we can actually use this. Also a good test, see if it'll hold a sleeved card. And yeah, that seems decent enough. Just do one card in each slot since I really don't have have too much to sleeve up here. However, like anything else, you have to start somewhere, so I hope to continue this and perhaps amass a formidable collection in the future. Now, another thing with these, I don't know if it would be better to sleeve these cards top down and then try that with this one and then put them into here. So that the top of the card is protected. Yeah, maybe. So yeah, just the portfolio collection pretty much feels maybe a tad thicker than what I guess would be a normal penny sleeve sort of item. So there's that, and then do these cards in the back to separate them. And obviously, going forward, I could purchase one, mini portfolio for each set, that would not be the end of the world. So that would be something to consider, I guess. Reverse the sleeve on this one. And one thing I'm noticing, I believe, anyway, this, claims to hold 60 cards. I believe there's only maybe 8 cards from each of the 2 Japanese sets here, and there's maybe 10 sleeves remaining. So I don't know if you're supposed to, if it's intended to hold like 6 cards or 4 cards per sleeve or what. Anyway, only have a handful of English cards, so I'll use those, I'll sleeve those up in this other one after I'm done with this. We'll open the packs. Again, I didn't intend for that to take as long as it did. However, there's a code card. Rid of the energy from the back. And Magnemite. Energy Switch. Varoom. Launcher. Ultra Ball. Spathra. Arvin. Toad School. Toad's Cool. Reverse Hollow. Wow, okay. That would be an illustration rare. King Gambit. And the Slowbro Hollow at the end. So for $4.50 and a mini portfolio that I intend to use, that was a halfway decent pack. I was not anticipating anything in the way of cards from these packs. So there's another Steel Energy and Potion, Weasel, Energy Retrieval, Lechonk, Stone Journer, Penny, Medicham, Palmy, Reverse, very washed out. Doesn't appear so on the camera. It looks better than it does to my eyes in person. Anyway, Hound Stone, Reverse, and Great Tusk, Full Art. That's EX. Wow. That's 2 packs just grabbed randomly because of the binder or portfolio deal, and yeah, that's it's quite amazing. So anyway, these two will be joining these cards in the binder. Thank you for watching, and yeah, we'll do this again, I hope.